In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert timers in Google Slides. This is a great way to let your audience know when the next part of your presentation is coming up, or just add a little dynamic flair to your slides. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily achieve this. First, we're going to head over to YouTube. Simply open your web browser and type in YouTube in the search bar. Once you're there, you'll want to look for a countdown timer. You can search for phrases such as 30-second timer or 15-second timer, depending on the length of countdown you desire for your presentation. You'll find that there are plenty of options, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. Go through a few videos if necessary to ensure the style matches your presentation's tone. Once you've selected a suitable countdown timer, it's time to copy the video link. You can do this directly from YouTube by clicking the Share button below the video. A dialog box will pop up providing a URL link for the video. Go ahead and copy this link, as this is what you'll use to embed the timer into your Google Slides presentation. Next, let's head over to Google Slides. Open your presentation where you want to include the timer. It's time to embed the video. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert, then select Video from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear where you can paste the link you copied earlier. Paste the link into the provided box and hit Select to insert the video into your slide. Now that the video is in your slide, you'll probably want to adjust it. Click on the video to enable resizing. You can drag the corners to adjust the size according to your slide layout. Make it as big or as small as you need. Keep in mind the visibility and layout of your presentation. An additional setting you might want to consider is setting the video to autoplay when presenting. To do this, right-click the video and a menu will appear. Click on the Format options, and within this sidebar, you'll find the option for video playback. Tick the box that says Autoplay when presenting. This will ensure that your countdown starts as soon as you reach that slide during your presentation. And there you have it. Your timer is all set to go. With just a few simple steps, you've added a professional touch to your presentation. Whether it's a brief pause for dramatic effect or a countdown marking the transition to your next section, your audience will be engaged and on the edge of their seats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great tips on making your presentations shine.